Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela, ubelang ruk Menteri Ketenat Home Police uli thok bagajing Pynjari Curfew met ak Thain Khappud bat keri Bangladesh kandang beteng haduk mentah. Baladat ban betah igi tenat pulit bak spai BSF bikin longi bapet ngor bha bakan amdan kajing rung bean syakari leng ba Kejela Meghalaya. Halor kajing lap bikam Metiap Ishak Ali Khan Panna General Secretary ke Awami League Party hagi Thain kerium jantia. Uba Prestone ten song ulong ba kabo ak jing lengo ek sarkar namar na kaliang ke BSF kelakentat baki nong Bangladesh kiyo ban rung suk syakajela nang na kaliang spai BDR kelakam budai unang yalam ka Awami League Party ublawan patch India. Ulong ru belalap ek Metiap jong ni unang yalam ha kajaka ka bajengai tang iwai point lai kilometer na kajaka Khappud kabadan syapok gari India. Bat kelak ban long bu usurung bean lane yo bagi dan giba peniap badwan berat ek Metiap juhan kajaka. Ndai kini baro kadang don hap pedang kejing tohkit. Uli tho ro baya kamet basa jung ni unang yalam ka sarkar kan sai tino shki bahiyang jung ba kejing tohkit kan beteng halor kini kejing ja. La ban kedau hang ni baya kamet yap jong Panna General Secretary ke Awami League Party lalap di pulit ke Meghalaya ka arpun ro trik unailar arhajar apusau ha ka jaka ka bajengai iwai point lai kilometer na ka jaka Khappud bat kari Bangladesh.
Yes, because all along the international border, night curfew was imposed. Until today, we continue to do that. From evening till early in the morning, that curfew is still there. And then we have instructed, be it from the police side or be it from the BSF side, they have to, their duty is to make sure that no one crossing, be it or entering to Bangladesh or crossing the Bangladesh to India. Saying because see, since the dead body was found within, I think, 1.2, 1.3 kilometers within Indian territory, meaning, you understand, if he does not cross illegally, means how could it be that the dead body was there? One, and number two, or maybe somebody killed him. You don't know. Then ultimately they dominate dead body. Maybe they cross to India territory. So these are the issues where we are yet to really ascertain what. That's what we don't know yet, because see, BSF authority, they keep us informing, they keep us updating about the issue, and because I think you must have seen it in the newspaper, they said even he carried a lot of money or something, but as per the statement, as per the physical possession made by the state police along with the BSF, they did not find anything like it came out in the newspaper.
So can we say that until the forensic test, as you have
yes
mentioned,
so right now I think no control.
I mean, until the forensic test is done, the body cannot be handed over to
No,
Bangladesh.
it can be done. See, the dead body can be handed over because see, the sample has been collected. So the sample has been collected. So now it is the duty of the Directorate of Forensic to do the further investigation or the test. But once the formalities is completed, the dead body can be handed over at any time. Okay, because right now it's only the question that somebody, the leader from Bangladesh, was killed. So, and even from Bangladesh, I don't know what's going on. So I don't think that conclusion can be reached where leading to the investigation of CBI or this that. And we have informed the higher authority and also the High Commissioner of Bangladesh and the High Commissioner of India, both the countries, and now we are waiting from the Home Ministry what steps is to be taken next.